Aicolits, good evening. So now I'm here in our lobby here in the hospital because I'm waiting for Zane and we are both post-bay duty. But the thing is, she is from SMC2, so I need to wait for her here. And we will go to Panorama because we want to buy something. But I'm not sure if we can buy because I don't know how much it costs. So we will check what we can buy there. So see you later mga Aicolits. So now mga ka-Aicolits, we are here now in Panorama. Rizane is here na. So thank you to Ate Van. They dropped us here in Panorama. So we have a discount 10%, 10 reals. So now we are here. I don't know where we will go, but I'm hungry already. I'm tired. So before we will go to Charrier, we just bought Macdo because we are hungry already. So yeah. Our burger, quarter pounder, but only cheese and patty because Zane is not eating soy sauce. So, let's eat. The patty is tender and it's delicious. So now mga ka-Aicolits, we are now ready to go to the rear. So we will see what we can buy there. Hopefully we can buy now so that we don't have any problem already for next month. So let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Ben. So we are checking here what we can buy. We are in HUAWEI. Rizane is there. So ayan na po si Rizane. She is checking on the S20. How's the camera of the S20? Good. Ito na lang, 599. So, we are looking for our tablet. So, we are looking for tablet. I think we will not charge. This one. This is it. Hello. This is the HUAWEI 10.4.
Yes.
What is the model?
2020.
No, I mean
That's 10.4.
10.4.
Yes.
This one is the one with the no, I don't like the one with SIM card because I have Wi-Fi.
So you don't need. No need. Okay.
Oh, look, beautiful
No?
So now mga ka-Aicolits, this is what we bought here in Charrier. The HUAWEI MATEPAD 10.4 OCTA core. So this one, 1,259 with the VAT 15%. This one supposed to be we were going to buy, but the thing is this one is 32 GB only and the other one is 64 GB because we need more applications, so we bought this one 64 GB.
A few moments later.
Hello mga Aicolits! So we are here again. So we will do the unboxing what we bought in Jarir. So this one is the HUAWEI MATEPAD 10.4 inches. So this one, the color is midnight gray with 64 GB. This one also with SIM card. You can insert here your SIM card with memory card also. So now we will start our unboxing for our own MATEPAD. So you start now to do your unboxing. So this is it. So we'll do the unboxing together. Wait for me. This is it. So this is our HUAWEI MATEPAD 10.4. Okay. In 1, 2, 3, open the briefcase.
Dalawa pa siya.
So this is our MATEPAD. Hopefully, walang basag kasi nabitawan ko siya kanina. Yay! This is it! This is our MATEPAD. HUAWEI! So, I was going to open also. Where is the opening? I cannot find it. Here. Hala, lobat. So this is it. This is the HUAWEI MATEPAD. So we are busy with our own MATEPAD. She finished already, girl. For me, I'm still starting. So English, get it started. Then of course I will choose United States. Really? So what's supposed to be? Philippines? Philippines? Or Philippines? Okay, we will choose Philippines. Then next. Agree. Then next. Wait. Just skip. And then, so I have Wi-Fi there. This one, but the thing I don't know the password, so we'll just stick for the meantime. Stick for the iCloud. Then. So now I don't know where to start it. Set up a new device. Okay, now I'm here. On my screen. The design is still not finished.
I'm reading.
So we both finished. After all, we are successful to open our MATEPAD. So now we will try. Wow, the music was so nice. So she tried already the music. Then now I will try also the camera. So this is the camera, and the camera is so nice. So I will just take a picture. So I will try the camera, then I will show to you. Okay. so nice, the camera. Yeah, so I think this one I can use also for my vlog because the camera is clear. And then if you want to edit something, there is a beautification also for this one, but for me no need for beautification because the camera was so clear. And so this is the MATEPAD. Actually, I don't know yet all the application here, so this is only our unboxing for tonight. So we're just so happy. I don't know how to close na. Huawei also have their own application to download whatever application you want, and this is free also according to the one who teach us while I go in the career. So here there is Huawei application. So we will just do the downloading of application tomorrow because for now we need to sleep na. We'll just show you our new stuff because I know you are also excited. So this one also has own charger, of course. This one. And then what is this?
This is mine. This is mine.
Okay, fine. So here also is a guidebook. So this is a quick reference. And then the charger, of course. Then this one is the one you will attach in your phone, huh? I think so.
If you have the charger for the earphone.
Earphone is on.
Earphone.
So this one for the earphone. If you have earphone, you will attach here and then you just connect here in your MATEPAD like this. Okay, and then of course there is pin here in order for you to open the SIM card here. This one. Yeah, this is the one you will use to remove this area in order for you to insert the SIM card and the memory card. So I'm just trying to use the headset if it's okay or not. Can you try if it's okay? You will try your own. Where is mine? Oh, you take mine. So now we will try the headset also for this one and insert here, then add it to your MATEPAD. It's working. I will try. Yeah. You wait. My God, she's taking mine.
Can I borrow? Kaya.
What happened? Maybe in the well. So wow.
See, there's the lyrics.
is it? The music and the bass, the speaker of the MatePad is so nice. So I recommend to buy you also like this. This one is so nice. Let's go. Ano kaya na?
Wala kang halata?
Oo.
Okay. Pero mo lang dito mo.
A few moments later.
So, ayan mga ka-Aicolits, nag-work na rin yung kanyang headphone. Kasi hindi gumagana kanina yung left, right ear. Ay, left ba?
Right.
Yung right ear niya. So, ngayon, gumana na siya.
Napangiti na.
Napangiti na siya ulit. Nag-worry siya mga ka-Aicolits kasi actually, hindi pa namin nagagamit to. Binili namin to last year pa, no? So, binili namin to last year pa, pero hindi pa namin nagagamit. Ngayon pa lang namin magagamit. So, ayun mga ka-Aicolits. So, ayan. Napangiti ulit siya.
Na-stress ako ng konti.
Na-stress siya ng konti. Ayan.
May lyrics pa siya, no?
So, ayun na mga ka-Aicolits. Dito na nagtatapos ang aming unboxing. This is the HUAWEI MatePad. So, what you can say to the HUAWEI MatePad? What?
Bye mga ka-Aicolits!
So, ayan mga ka-Aicolits. We bought this one worth of 1,259. So, we don't have yet the cover, but we will just buy next time. We don't have stock for the cover. So, now we can use this one. We bought already tablet because we need this one. So, this is it. Finish our unboxing. She's busy now. So, thank you mga ka-Aicolits for watching our vlog. Eto na mga ka-Aicolits, this is the end of our vlog for tonight. So, kung may gusto kayong i-vlog namin, just comment down below. Babasahin po namin at try po namin gawin yung mga gusto nyong ipagawa sa amin na mga challenges or whatsoever. Just comment down below. So, kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at huwag mo na rin kalimutang i-click ang notification bell and share our vlog para ma-update ka sa aking mga new videos. So, thank you mga Aicolits for watching our new videos. Stay safe. God bless. Bye! Good night!